What if I told you that you're wasting your time? Time that you could use to relax, get a degree, or change the world. What if I told you that you're now spending lots of money to pay your bills, money that you could spare to have a dinner out, go on vacation, or finally buy that garden gnome? What if I told you that your home is full of useless furniture that takes up too much space? This is the laundry room of any house. It is still stuck in the 70s. A laundry basket, a drying rack, another drying rack, another laundry basket, an ironing board, and a tumble dryer. This is the laundry room of the future. Exactly. The laundry room of the future doesn't exist, but we'll get to that later. This is Laura. Every week, she spends 4 to 5 hours washing, drying, and ironing hers and her family's laundry. This is Lenny. Every day, at work, he has to wear the same shirt, and therefore has to jump through hoops to wash, dry, and iron it. This is Lenny, but in the future, and he is in his laundry room. Hey Lenny, can't you see anything? Look carefully. Okay, let me help you out. This is Laura, but in the laundry room of the future. Good night. Good morning. Now their clothes are ready to be hung in the closet, clean, dry, and ironed. Leonardo is the painting that dries and irons your laundry. You just have to open it, hang your laundry, and turn it on. It uses 98% less energy compared to a traditional tumble dryer. Leonardo is environmentally friendly. You can even power it with a power bank. Moreover, with its fans, it helps the air to better circulate, keeping the humidity stable. And when it's done, it goes back to being just a painting. Support the Indiegogo campaign to have a 35% discount and always keep posted on any news about Leonardo. The laundry room of the future is no laundry room.